Imagine creating stunning, realistic photos like these in seconds. No photography skills required. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's brand new Dream Lab tool, where you can turn simple prompts into amazing images. Let's dive right into it and create those incredible pet photos step by step. To get started, open Canva, head to Create a Design, and select Dream Lab. Here, Dream Lab lets you type in exactly what you want to see. You type, Canva's AI brings it to life. Before we jump into creating images, here's some background information about Dream Lab. Dream Lab is Canva's newest AI feature for creating images from text, built on the advanced Leonardo AI Phoenix model. Free users will receive 20 credits for lifetime, while pro users receive up to 500 monthly credits, so you'll have plenty of chances to experiment. Now, you might wonder, how is Dream Lab different from Canva's Magic Studio? Magic Studio offers tools like text generators and presentation creation, but Dream Lab is all about creating realistic, high-quality images from scratch. If you'd like to try it yourself, use the link in the description to explore Dream Lab and start designing today. Let's create our first image, starting with a dog. We're going for a close-up of a golden retriever with sunglasses and a red bandana. Type in a detailed description, and don't forget to include details like lighting, background, and even a retro film texture for that vintage feel. And there you have it, a perfectly stylish golden retriever ready for any adventure. Next, let's make a parrot with a fun, adventurous look. Describe its colors, accessories like a tiny aviator hat, and add in some jungle background for extra vibe. Check this out. The AI captures every detail, giving the parrot a totally unique, fun personality. Finally, let's create a cute, cozy rabbit with glasses and a pastel scarf. Again, detail is key here. The more you describe, the better your result. And just like that, we've created a whimsical rabbit that looks straight out of a storybook. With Dream Lab, bringing your imagination to life has never been this easy. So go ahead. Try Dream Lab on Canva and create your own amazing designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more tutorials like this.